Hey guys, Erica here, Scrap Diva 29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming back on today because I have another entry that I want to share with you, and this entry is from Tony, and I'm sorry, I am not sure how to say your last name. I think it's Men, M-E-Y-N. Anyway, her YouTube name is Craft Purge, and she's also on Instagram, so I'll leave her links to where you can find her in the description box below. Yay, I'm so happy you participated. I went ahead and took out what was in her packages, and it was right here, and I've already opened up the card, and this is the adorable card that she sent me, and it says, "You are a fantastic friend." Isn't that so cute? And it's a fox, and you guys know I love my foxes. Oh, it's so sweet. And it says, "Happy Valentine's Day." It says, "Congrats on 11,000 subbies. Thank you for having this challenge. It's my first time ever entering one. XOXO Tony," and she's Craft Purge. And you guys can find her on Instagram, and she just recently started a YouTube channel. Very creative, you guys. Definitely check her out. She's got a lot of great ideas. So, all right, let's open up her entry. So I'm gonna open up, this is her loaded bag. We'll start with the loaded bag, and it's absolutely adorable. So let's take out her baking tags. Oh my gosh. It's a shaker and it's a mixer. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. How super cute is that? Baked with love, love Erica. Oh, she even has like my name right there. Oh my gosh. And she's got the mixer all shimmered up with Wink of Stella, it looks like. These are absolutely adorable. And then look at this pretty ribbon that she's got on the top of it. So super cute. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to use this on a package. It's absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can't stop looking at it. And then, of course, she made me a purple one, you guys. Isn't that so sweet and thoughtful? And again, it's another shaker. This is such a cute idea. And I think she used her Cricut to make the mixer. Absolutely adorable. And then she even did a tag that says, "Love Erica," with a little flower. It's so pretty, and this beautiful ribbon. Thank you, thank you. I love your baking tags. All right, so those are her baking tags, and let's look at her Memory Decks card. Oh, and this is her Memory Decks card, and it's absolutely fabulous. And she's got the word sparkle. Is that a die? I have a sparkle die, but I don't have that one, so that's super, super cute. And she's got her cloud on dimensionals, and then these cute little hearts down here. I love this ribbon. It's very pretty with a really shiny heart. And then she's got her unicorn, and he's just kind of hanging out over here over the cloud. And then some more enamel dots up there. So pretty. Thank you so much. And she even embossed the cloud, it looks like, with the stars. Super, super cute. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. Oh! All right, I'm going to cover up her address. And there she is. Isn't she pretty, you guys? And she has a little son, I believe, and she's always sharing on Instagram. Look at the back. I love the paper, and look, you guys, she sewed it. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love how you did your picture. That's so cute. And then she has her information on a cloud. Oh my gosh, and you're a December baby. Oh, Christmas. Oh, that's so sweet. Tony, thank you so much. Okay, so I was just sharing with you this Memory Decks card. I'm sorry, my phone died. I had to wait for it to charge back up again. I'm so sorry. Okay, but I just noticed that the back of her Memory Decks card, it's not only sewn, but it's actually a shaker. So you see all that sequence? I can't really share it without shaking it, and so I don't want to share her address, but it's a shaker. I mean, how super cute is that? That's so clever. You guys definitely check out her YouTube channel and her Instagram feed. Oh my gosh, that's so creative. Thank you, Tony. I love your Memory Decks card. Super cute. All right, and then she's got some little goodies in here for me, you guys. Oh, this is beautiful, and I love the purple glitter. And she's got a little charm right there. Oh, it's a tag kit. Oh, she gave me the mixer for the tags to make my own. Thank you. That's so sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so thoughtful. I promise I will put these to use. Yay. That is such a nice gift. So thoughtful. Oh, I love that. So pretty. Okay, and then she had one more goodie in here, and it says, just because you don't have Daiso. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you for wrapping it up in this really pretty paper. Yay. I love getting Daiso things. Yay. Okay, what did you send? Oh my gosh, look how adorable. She sent me some cookie cutters and they're little tiny bears. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna have to make some bear sugar cookies. It says Daiso Sweets. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you so much. That's so thoughtful. Yay! Oh, and she sent me some of these gift bags. Wow, you get 30 of them. Oh, thank you so much. That is so, so sweet. So yay! I got bags, I got cookie cutters. Oh, that's so super sweet. Thank you so much, Tony. All right, you guys. Entry is from Jennifer Stevens, and this is how her package came. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I really like this tissue paper. It's really shiny and pretty. It looks like it has like glitter on it or something. Really, really pretty. I will definitely save that. And so here is her mini loaded bag. Oh my goodness, let's just pull that out, and I'm just gonna zoom in just a little bit for you guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty she has it decorated. She has a really pretty, looks like a die cut, and then these cluster of roses on the front. Isn't that pretty with the flat back pearls? Super, super cute. And she even has a little charm dangle. Oh, and it even has an E. Oh my goodness, let me focus. Let me make sure that we're focused. Here we go. So look at this dangle, you guys. It has a butterfly, and then look at the E. Look at that. So cute. That's so pretty. Thank you so much. That's so, so thoughtful. I love that. And it looks like, I'm just trying to share all the little beads. So cute. Love that. And she's just got it attached to her bag on the top. So adorable. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for that. All right, let's look at her tags. And here they are. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at the first one. It's adorable. I love the tag die that you used. And then she's got a little cookie with little flat back pearls to make it look like sprinkles. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And it says baked with love. And she's got a tiny little heart. And then she's got more cookies, and she's got a cookie with a heart. And then she layered it with that heart die in the back. And then she's got a really pretty ribbon bow. Oh, it's adorable. I hope I'm on frame. I'm so excited. This is so adorable. And it's purple, which I absolutely love. Thank you so much. That's so thoughtful. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Thank you, thank you. It's so cute. Yay. And then if that first one wasn't enough, look at the second one, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at her coloring. She used this adorable baking bear, and it says baked with love. Then look at the little mouse holding the sugar, like giving it to the bear. Oh my gosh, that's so, so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I don't know how I'm gonna give these tags away. I will, you guys, and trust me, I've already given a tag away already with some Valentine's Day cookies. But oh my gosh. And then look at the little charm. She's got a little spoon dangling from her tag. Oh my goodness. This is so adorable and so inspiring. Thank you. Thank you. I love it. And that's how she finished off the back, and it's nice and sturdy. I love, love your tag. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then, oh my goodness, it says enjoy. So she sent me a little something. Let's see what she sent. Oh, so she sent me some of her handmade cookies. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. So now, oh my gosh, look at that one. Now I can make some of my own tags. Yay, thank you so much. So now I won't feel guilty if I give that one away, knowing I can make another one. That is so thoughtful. Thank you so much. I love it. And they're all like stickled with Wink of Stella, and they're nice and sparkly. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you for that. All right, let's open up the inside. Oh my goodness, she sent me a little bit of looks like bling. Well, let's open it up. Oh my goodness, so she sent me all this pretty bling. Look at that, you guys. Wow, that's really pretty. I don't have anything like this, not in this color anyway, so thank you so much. And then she sent me some really pretty iridescent sequins. Yay, I need more sequins. And then these pretty gemstones, absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for that. Let me put that off to the side. And then this says, this is from Allie. Sharpen and use to pick up rhinestone sequence. Small pieces of paper works better if you lightly touch the rhinestone or paper. Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much for sharing with me. I have had one of these pencils before, but I lost mine, and I actually just recently picked up some type of jewel tool, but I haven't even opened it up yet, but I will definitely try this. So thank you so much, and I like the way you used your little topper right there. Really, really pretty. Thank you, thank you. And so let's, oh my goodness, oh, here's her card. I think this is her card, but I'm gonna go ahead and share the Memory Dex card. And here it is, and look how absolutely adorable it is. I love your rainbow, and it says hello, and she's got a cute little unicorn on dimensionals. She's kind of popped up a little bit, and look at the little clouds and the sequence on the rainbow with the wink of Stella. I love it. This is such an awesome entry. Love it, love it. Oh, okay, so let's turn it around. Oh my goodness. Her birthday is one day after mine. Hers is November 3rd, and this is actually my nephew's birthday as well. And as you can see, her YouTube channel is Jennifer Stevens, and I'll definitely link her information below. And Jennifer, me and you have a lot in common. I see dark chocolate with almonds. That is my fave too. Wow, awesome, yay! This is so sweet. Thank you, thank you. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what she sent in this envelope right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, it's her card, and it says, you inspire me. And Lynn, look at her adorable, oh my goodness, her adorable card. She used a CC Designs stamped image. She colored her up. She's got a pretty die behind her, and she's popped up on some dimensionals to give her a little bit of a raised look. Isn't that super cute, you guys? Let me just open it up. Oh my goodness, this is her first time participating in anything, and her daughter encouraged her to craft for friends in school. She said she has a YouTube account, but she doesn't make videos, but she said hopefully one day I will join and share in the world of sharing on YouTube. Oh my gosh. And her name is Sophia. Oh, her daughter sent me a letter too. It said, hi, Miss Erica. My mom and I like watching your videos. You inspire me to craft with my mom a lot more. I hope you like what we made for you, from Sophia. Oh, that's so sweet. And then this is from the mommy, Jennifer. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Oh, thank you so much. This has just put a big smile on my face and made my day. All right, you guys, show these ladies some love. Check out their channels if they have a channel, and just leave them a comment and tell them what you think of what they created so that you can inspire them to create and share more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.